Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. This week I am inspired by Valentine's Day and I have done a Valentine themed makeup look, and it's the look I'm having right now. So if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. So Valentine's Day is coming up, and even though I personally don't celebrate Valentine's Day, I know a lot of people do, and so I wanted to create a Valentine's Day makeup look that you can actually wear out on a date, because I know not everybody loves having hearts on their face. I personally don't mind because I run a makeup YouTube channel. I don't mind having out there kind of makeup or creative makeup or different makeup. I really don't care about that, but this is for people that want a makeup look that says Valentine's Day without being too much. It's dramatic, it's a little bit of flair because you need that, it's Valentine's Day. And so I will be using, I think, 2 eyeshadow palettes and 3 colors for this makeup look, and I will be doing the reds and the pinks and the sparkle because you kind of need all 3. Valentine's Day is the trifecta of red, pink, and glitter. So I want to go in with the Makeup Revolution Constellation. And I want to go in with Venus, which is this one right here. And I first want to go in with the fluffy brush like this one to apply it above my crease. Just diffuse the color right here. Then I want to go in with the flat brush like this one to intensify the color in the crease. Now I want to wing it out, so I don't want to bring it down completely to here. I want to wing it out about here, so to speak. And the same color, you want to bring it to your lower lashes as well. I want to make this into a cut crease, so what I would do is take my concealer, and I'm using the Perfect Match from L'Oreal, and it's the shade 1RC Ivory Rose that looks like this. I'm taking a flat brush like this one to draw the concealer on, and I just dip it in like this and apply it on my lids. So you want to put this to the bright pink line that you drew and all over your lid to get an even color. Then I would just want to take a clean flat brush like this one. It just has setting powder on it. And I want to take my setting powder, and I'm using the MaxFactor Cream Puff in the 05 translucent. It looks like this. And by the way, translucent doesn't mean translucent in this one. It has some shade to it. But what I want to do with this is just dab on top of the concealer to set it before I apply the eyeshadow. I do know that the eyeshadow is powder, so it can set by using that, but this is what I prefer to do. This is what I've always done. Now I want to go in with the eyeshadow I want all over this area, and I think I want to go in with my finger and then maybe a flat brush like this one to get in the outer corner and the inner corner if I need that. But the eyeshadow that I want to be using is the W7 Socialite. And I want to be going in with the Extravagance, which is this one right here. Now what I want to do is take my eye blender brush, the one from Essence that looks like this, and I want to blend the pink on my lower lashes. I don't have a red eyeliner, so what I have to do is make the eyeliner with eyeshadow. So what I'm going to do is take the Makeup Revolution Constellation, and because this is such a bright pink, I want to go with a darker red, so I'm going with Mars, which is this one right here. And I'm going to be using a angled brush because, like I said, I want this to be an eyeliner. I'm going to be curling my lashes. And then I will be putting on mascara, and I am putting on the Maybelline, the Colossal, that looks like this. And I'm putting first on my upper lashes, and then maybe on my lower lashes. I will see how it looks. I decided to just put mascara on my upper lashes just because I think that's what suits me the best. But you can do upper and outer lower, or like mascara all over both of your lashes. You can do whatever you want, but for this look and with my eye shape, this is what I think will look best. And so onto the lips. Now that I know how pink and how red and this makeup look looks like, I can now decide which lipstick I can use. So I'm using the Kiko Milano's My Color Comfort Lip Liner with the shade 303. So I'm going to be lining my lips first. And then I'm going to go ahead and use Kiko Milano's 214 Glossy Dream, and it looks like this. And then I just want to set it all with my setting spray, so I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. And there you have it, Valentine themed makeup. This one comes off a lot pink, but there is red in there as well, and I think it's absolutely perfect for Valentine if you want to be pinkish, reddish, and very girly and feminine with a little bit of a slay with the cut crease and red eyeliner. And that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!